All right. So enterprise structure, this is like structure of the enterprise. Whomsoever they have start, we have seen ASAP methodology, how the business process of the client, if they want to switch to non-SAP to SAP system, we followed an ECC ASAP methodology, accelerated methodology, which is guidelines to implement for any organization. If they want to switch, already they are using SAP, or that is migration. If they are going to switch from non-SAP or legacy system to SAP system, so standard SAP has given the first, you have to create enterprise structure and defines and assigns with limited codes, either in numerical or alphanumerical, or you can give any of the elements names. Okay, suppose, say for example, we have TCS, Wipro, Deloitte, Infosys, like this. These are consultancies where supports SAP based services to the client. Consultancy, right? So for example, this is providing solutions. They will tie up with the clients. Okay, say for example, you have joined as a consultant based on your experience. Say for example, Apple is the client. Okay, manufacturing of the phones, right? Apple, it's having good brand values. So this, they used to use non-SAP, okay, non-SAP system, where we call it as legacy. Okay, now they are planning to migrate, or they approach to TCS, okay, that they are planning to move from non-SAP to SAP, right? They're planning to move non-SAP to SAP. Then TCS, what happens? They visit the premises of Apple, the management from Apple, management from TCS. They'll be having where we see in ASAP methodology, project preparation, the roadmap, where they discuss about when to start, where they'll be having team, their introduction will happen each other. And once they have approached to this core members of Apple, the consultant, then they will understand the current how they do business. We call it as is, and to be means how it's going to be in SAP after understanding of as is and to be, right? They do understand as is how they are doing currently, and this, what is a possibility to migrate in SAP, how they can do as per SAP notes. They try to map in SAP, right? So this is how they do initial stage of project preparation. Okay, as is and to be, as you know, to be. This is current business, how they are doing. They must understand current business process. This is how they can map into SAP. There is a possibility, sometimes it may not be possible to map it. We call it as gap. There is no solution from SAP. Then they would suggest the business it is a gap. Hence, they can go for customization, or if they want to proceed, they can go customization or not, because gaps, once you fulfill, then lifelong support is required. It is business decision. Gaps always possible, but they have to go for customization. How it is going to be in SAP? This is to be process, right? So in this scenario, After understanding as is to be, then first one they would go for any organization, SAP suggests go for first organization elements, or we call it as interview they ask maybe elements or organization components, structure, any one of these terminologies they ask in interview. Okay, got it this? Now supports for any companies once they want to switch to non-SAP to SAP, these are the phases they have to follow, and the phases I'll explain after completion of course and project. Okay, real-time documents I'll show you how from scratch need to develop. Okay. All right, now they have suggested first definitions, enterprise definitions, all whatever components they have enterprise, they must be having the elements should be defined in SAP. Further they'll be going forward rest of the components. Let's see how it works. Further we discuss this one. The first element is they suggest for company code. Company code, they go for company code where it is 4 digits code, right? 4 digits code, right? Then this is a responsible person is FI. Finance people is a responsible to define this company code, where this is one of the organization unit in any company which is responsible for all the financial whatever happens in the company, they will be taken. Either you can say financial related activities. I'll give brief, no need to discuss the right activities, or company balance sheet, right? Either it is profit or loss statements, okay. This has been taken care by this company code. Okay, this must be one or based on size of the business, they can go for one company codes or number of company codes, right? Large scale industries, they go for multiple company codes. Okay, this 4 digits code we can maintain anything. This is B2 batch. I must give B2 or something. If already maintained B2, I'll give something. B2 S4, I'll give like this. Okay, or else B2 something I'll give. Last I given B2 batch 11. I'll give like this. Let's see this one. Okay, give something unit number, because our SAP install we can do anything, but this server already someone is working means we cannot. Let's why it is still this one. Okay. Let's go find. Still it is running. Right. So we'll go for next component. After company code, we can go for sales organization, where sales organization is, it is also one of the organization unit which is responsible whatever sales and service happens in the company. This is one of the department where we can go for defining of 4 digits code, and it is also based on business size of the business. They can split or bifurcate the number of sales organization across whatever when they have locations. The SD is the responsible person, right? So you can go for export sales or domestic sales, right? So these are the split we can give the two. Okay, I'll give domestic sales organization. I'll give a simple one line. This is one of the organization unit which is responsible for all sales and services happens in the company. This is one of the department. So note this based on size of the business, they can split or they can bifurcate, split the number of sales orgs. Either they want to domestic, and domestic also they want to split south region, east region, west region, north region. They can split it. In our project, we split like domestic sales organization, domestic sales org, 4 digits code something I'll give. Another one is export sales org. We can give something 4 digits code. I'll give similar kind of things will be B211 now. We must remember this. Not someone deleted means we have to replace again because it is a shared server. So something I'll give. We can give same like this. I'll give B2 1 2 like this. I'll give. Okay, you can go for this. Right, this is domestic and this is export sales organization. The same we have to define. Let me do this. This is still returning. I think this is network issue. Just to connect. I switch this. Right. Let's go. No, not even. I see some troubleshooting there and only. Okay. This is 2022. Okay. Meanwhile, we go for next component. Right. Sales organization. Next component is we have distribution channel. Right. This is the way of how companies selling the goods through the channel, right? The selling the goods to end customers, the way of distributing goods to end customer. Obviously, company will not go and sell these goods to the customers wherever they have. They'll be having the channel which there must be having dealer or distributor, retailer or wholesaler. The people will be there which they have bulk, they'll sell to those customers, then they'll be distributing to the regional wherever they have customers. This is two digits code defined in SAP, where it is the responsible, right? Very simply, way of selling goods to end customer. Okay, this is a already we learned, so I'll give slightly idea on this. So if you want to define two digit code only, system will accept. Let's say we'll give dealer is a person who deals with the company, purchaser huge number of the goods. Likewise, distributor or retailers or retailers or wholesaler, right? Institutions and direct, we have a lot of distribution channels will be there. Similarly, we can define two digits code in SAP. Something I'll give, like if it is B1 or B2, B3 and B4. Let it be. These are the defined in SAP with the two digits code, right? So the very next component is division. After manufacturing the goods, okay, they have the range of the products where they can, okay, division of, say for example, Apple is our client, okay, so SD is the responsible to define the divisions in SAP, right? So we can say range of the products or product range where they have manufacturing keep aside in a warehouse. So the manufacturing of the goods our client is, say for example iPhone, again it must be having different variants. You can give whatever you want, something B1 you can give. Likewise MacBook, okay, this is B2, right? Like we have iPad, give this as B3, right? And watch TV, okay, Apple Watch, I can give B4. Now TV, something enough, there are a number of products, but we'll give for example 5 products, okay. These all three, whenever sale happen, we call it sales area. Whenever this product sale happen, it is combination of sales org, distribution channel and division. If something sale happen, then system first we give the creation of the order, which sales organization, whether it is domestic or export, or which division, distribution channel is purchasing, and the division of the product which sale happen. This combination we call as sales area. Another one, sales line, the line of business where they will be selling, is also combination of sales org and distribution channel. This combination is called sales line, right? So post class I'll send this document, which is transaction code, everything you have path or to define this in SAP. So You can follow the same. Already ECC we did. So this is next component. Let's see this one. Must be having some error. If not, we continue this. Right. So division. Then next one is sales office, where it is a physical location. Group of people work together to perform sales related activities. This is 4 digits code. Where we define SD is a responsible. Wherever sales, you can see this is a SD person will take care. Right? This is one of the physical location. So we do go to office to do given task. It is sales related task or finance related task or marketing or production related. Whomsoever particular department, they will take care of those particular activities. Right? This is one of the, you can say, physical location where group of people work together to perform sales related activities. This is one of the organization element within the company. See this one. I'll define wherever sales offices having the same, we have to define it in SAP. Something Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, you can give the number of sales offices with 4 digits code. We can define patterns we have. So I'll give Bangalore sales office and Hyderabad sales office, right? So we give something similarly so that no confusion. I'll give to B2 11, B2 12. Okay, I'll give like this. You can give, system can identify B2 11 or different also you can give B2 12. There is no any problem giving this. If you give similarly, it is good because sales system, some other people give chance to them also to do their own enterprise structure numbering. Okay, this is two enough. If business have a lot of, then we have to define such a way, right? And next element is sales group. Okay, this is 3 digits code which we define in SAP. SD is a responsible person to define this sales group. Okay, so sales group, they have split the people who ever responsible for tasks across the locations, right? Group of people within sales office working for different sales activities. They go office and they work together and they split the people who are responsible tasks, because everybody together they may not come out the outcome what they are expecting. So they'll be splitting among the group who is a responsible person, then only they will be effectively work for the particular task, whatever objects given by the business. So a group of people within sales office working for different activities. Sales activities, you can say, since we are SD, sales and distribution. Say for example, there is a group, something I'll give. This is a group. Within this group, there are number of people will be there. Who is responsible? Okay, they'll given iPhone related or MacBook related activities. Whatever sales volume which they have, sell daily basis reports, we have to weekly basis, monthly basis, they will consolidate and they'll give report to the particular managers, regional managers, wherever they are working within Bangalore sales office or Hyderabad sales office. For reporting purpose, if something what they're expecting it is not, the volume of the goods is not moved, then they'll take some strategic decisions how they can give by giving additional discounts or offers from the company. So the rest of the strategies will taken care by this people. Something this I can say iPad, and you can give watch or TV related activities group, like group of people will be there. So for instance, we give 2 sales groups. Okay. Next, organization element is planned, where this will be 4 digits code. Responsible person is material management people. This is one of the physical location where they do process of manufacturing the goods. Wherever they have plants, they work together and process the manufacturing the finished goods, right? So I can say it's one of it is the physical location where do the process of manufacturing the goods, finished goods, you can say finished goods, whatever they have across the plant, they have locations, they do manufacture, and they, if they have across another places, they do, right, STO process, transfer for manufacturing goods from one location to another location, that we will discuss in business process. So wherever they have, suppose I'll give Hyderabad plant, manufacturing plant they have, or Bangalore, you can give Bangalore, or Chennai, or Mumbai, or Pune. So whatever you want, you can give this. I'll give something. Which one we have given? Similar thing we have given. You can give your unique ID, whatever it is. Do not give same. V211, V2 right? Next, after manufacturing the goods, they will be stored in separate location within the warehouse. We call it as storage location. Storage location, right? Where this is also 4 digits code, and is responsible to define this. We are not. Okay, let's see. As we discussed, the plant, wherever they are manufacturing, they keep aside within the warehouse. Suppose if they have Hyderabad or Bangalore, okay, see Hyderabad, I have given, I'll give this one above one Bangalore, below one Hyderabad. Okay, give this Hyderabad plant, this is I'll give Bangalore plant. Okay, within this Bangalore, if they want to store these goods, then they'll be split among this, say for example B211, and they must be having the storing of goods, whatever raw material they bring from the vendors outside, they name it something, right? They made like raw material storage location, they'll be having real time, there'll be names will be there. So for instance, I'll give raw material storage location. I'll give shortcut like this, location. Something we give the 201. I'll give this raw materials. Okay, and they won't finish the product one day. It will take layer by layer time to finish these goods. And our finishing, we call it as semi-finished storage location. Okay, location where B202 I'll give, and once they have finished goods, they make it as FG. The stages will be there based on completion of this extra variant of this work finished, and if they have the existing products, some additional features or specification based on the product, then they go for FG2, right, which contains some additional to existing product advanced, then they name it something 04, and whenever return goods due to defective or something damaged, they'll be having separate return storage location where they'll be keep aside in the this storage location. Returns, I can say returns 3205. This is where they store these goods within the Bangalore plant. Wherever across they have locations, they do treat like this. From there, easy to pick and do pack and supply to the customer. Similarly, Hyderabad plant as well, Hyderabad plant. So give this one B212. All right, this is Hyderabad setup. The similar kind of setup wherever they have plants, they do arrangement like this. Okay, then let's go defining here as well. I do your raw materials, everything. This, let's see, take this one. Okay, as something change, I'll change the naming. This I'll give B301. Anything you can give. 302, B303, and B304, then 305. Okay, this is how they store the goods within the warehouse. We have to define in SAP the same way. Next one, okay, they are storing, okay, finished goods, whatever they have in the company product, they have to ship these goods to the customer, right? Then the last component is shipping point. Shipping point, this is a location, physical location where company do the process of shipment of the goods to the customer. This is somewhere, say for example, you have a plant in Hyderabad, Gachibowli, hence there is a huge operations within, they do manufacturing. They cannot store the goods, all materials within the Gachibowli. Doesn't have that much spacious warehouse. What they do after manufacturing, they shift into somewhere in outskirts. They keep all manufacturing goods. Whenever they get orders from the customers, from there easy to ship from the outskirt location to the customer location, right? So this is a location where easy to process of the goods to deliver to the end customer. This is also 4 digits code. SD is responsible for doing this process. SD. All right, this is shipping point. It is, I can say, this is also on physical location. This is also physical location where do the process of loading the goods to dispatch to customers. And this loading, how they can do based upon customers, they have the Hyderabad as well as Bangalore, the location will be there wherever they have set. I can see for defining this Bangalore shipping point. Already we have which one, B211, remember B211. This is, and I'll give one more, Hyderabad we have to define Hyderabad shipping point. We have to define in SAP B2 12, right? So upon customers orders, how they want the emergency of the customer requirement, they do shipment of these goods. Suppose customers asking as soon as possible or immediately, right? Upon customer urgency, they ship these goods, they load into the truck. If they are, it's okay, 2 days or 3 days time, they go for manual shipping point, manual shipping point, which is the loading of the goods into the truck will be done these activities by manual. The people will be there. Obviously, less price to the customer, hence the manual work. We can define something. I can give something 201 like this. Okay. And if they have any forklifts or cranes, immediately they are asking automatic, okay, shipping point, but charges is more to the customer if he can bear 202 automatic, and the same day whenever ordered by customer, immediately they want to ship these goods from plant location to customer location, they go for 203 immediate shipping point. It charges more transportation charges, hence they are requesting immediately. The similar setup will be there, hence same company code under sales organization, and this plant is requirement. So then they go for something, I'll give 301 301 like this, 4 digits. B302, you can give anything, 303. Okay, these are defining of enterprise structure. Right. Right, 9 components you can see. So we have defined, this is also we have done. So I given slightly understanding of viewers. Company code must be there, and sales organization we have done. Basically they have number of sales organization based upon their business operations. Distribution channel as well we have defined, right? Division, we must set up this one, otherwise we cannot do further process. Now for there will be 9 components, 5 and 6. If we miss anything then we can, all right, 7, yeah, fine, 8, 9. Okay, okay, then 9. Okay, now we define in SAP system. Let's see. That's what it is. All right. Okay, I'll go for another one. I have another one. Okay. 183. This IP address will given by your installation whoever will done. 10750. Okay, go. All right, so go with this. Log on. Okay. Uh, enter. All right. So you can see already you know. So I'm going to define all these elements. The path as given. Even I will share this how to define this path in this material. Okay. I clearly mention everything. You can give the same which I have in the material, the path and all. Since everybody knows, then I'll go for directly assigning all this. Fine. If anyone confusing or something, let me know. Okay. So go to SAP SPRO, enter. So click on SAP reference IMG. Since we have defining for enterprise structure, then expand this enterprise structure under definitions. Hence it is FI related defining of this element. Expand this finance accounting. Then there is a edit, copy, delete, check company code. Double click on this clock symbol, right? Click on this edit company code data. Go. Then always you can copy from standard. We have 1000. Go to position, select 1000. If it okay, you can copy from this. I think 0001 is standard. Okay, anything okay. Take 1000. Copy as you can maintain hours which we have defined B to 11. Give this B to 11 to 11 company code, 4 digits code. Then you can give Apple India Private Limited. Give like this. City wherever it is, give Bangalore, and country IN, currency INR, then language English. And enter. System will ask the details of this. Automatically this will pop up. As we know already we have done in ECC. Give Apple India Ltd, right? Search term we can give something AIP or something. If you know this street, house number, postal city, you can give. Otherwise, ignore this. Only give Bangalore and country as IN. Region, it is predefined by SAP. Bangalore, it is defined as 10. Karnataka region means state in SAP, right? The time zone also predefined by SAP. So India, wherever you can select here. Okay. India stands for okay. It's gone. Okay, sorry. If it goes this going down, this is India, no daylight saving. So this, if you look at this one, this plus, if you have more things to be added, to the system you can add, otherwise it is collapse, not required. Then these are the mandatory things. If company related address, post box, rest of the communication details we can add over here, telephone, mobile number for further communications. Okay, if not, you can save this. Go here, enter. Now save. I'll give this is S4HANA enterprise structure. I'll give enterprise structure. You know, this system will create automatically transport request where we can see saving this all this whatever configure we have done SC09 or SC10. It has been saved. You know this one, right? Then if you want to edit or something, you can do go inside of this one details. Okay, there is an address tab. You can do anything you want to add it. Fine. Now go back. Either you can click on this or you can click like this, go back. Okay. The names, see everything here will be there. Once you cancel it, you can go back and cancel. Then I can go for defining of sales organization. We have domestic and export sales. The path would be same, SPRO, SAP reference, IMG. Then go to enterprise structure. Hence everybody knows, that's why I'm going directly. Now go to sales and distribution. You define your sales organization. Double click on this. Okay, define sales organization. Then you can go for given 1000. Make sure you have to take the it is whatever you have from this standard only. Okay, copy as. See, now this is a symbol. Copy as. You can give v2 11. I'll give domestic sales organization. I can give or else Apple domestic sales or. So hence we use INR. You can give this. Enter. Enter. Now give this Apple domestic sales or. Okay, wherever it is Bangalore, you can give this. Search term. Yes, you can give this one. This is not required. Right? Give Bangalore. As usually, which country it is belongs to. Region is 10. It is predefined by SAP. This is also India. So language and all you can give. Then okay, click on this, copy. Then it has been saved. Done. All right. Now already done. Okay. See, now already someone did. So copy as. I'll make it for export sales. I'll give this as 2 1 2. I'll give export sales, export sales org. Okay, copy this one. Now enter. Now give this export sales org AES, then Bangalore, wherever you have locations, go. Then see. Then sales organization has been defined. Go. Now either you can click on this, cancel it, Now go back, then go for distribution channel. See, now you can find here only, double click on this, define distribution channel. You can go directly whatever you want, go. So our distribution channel we defined. Getting right? Anybody have confusions? Dealer, distributor, retailers, and wholesalers. Okay, go for dealer. I'll give this one. B1 we have given as dealer, B2 as distributor, and the third one is wholesalers, retailers, retailers. Okay, retailer, wholesaler. Okay, B4 is wholesaler, sellers, enter. Okay, somebody already using it since 11. Oh, okay, 1B, go. Oh, so you can give 2-1. Already using this one. Okay, Z1. Okay. 1Z. Okay, we'll give 1Z, 2Z. Okay, 3Z. I'll give similarly 4Z. Okay, now fine. Okay, 1Z, 2Z. We can give the year only since people giving different naming. 1Z, 2Z, 2Z, 3Z. Give like this. Otherwise, people shared system, right? They're using everyone. Now save this. Done. Okay. Now go back. Cancel this. Go back. Cancel. No. Go. So distribution is done. Now go for the same path. Divisions. We have division. Double click on this. Define. Go to divisions. Definitions. Then give your divisions whatever we have. Hence we have divisions iPhone, MacBook, right? B1, B2, B3, B4. Let's see. Someone already gave it. B1. First only give this. We'll come to know. iPhone. Okay. 1B. 1Z. Okay. Great. We can give like this. 2Z. We can give iPhone, MacBook. Okay. Next. 3Z or something else also, but you give this one iPad. Next 4Z we can give what we have given, iPad, watch and TV. Okay, watch and give 5Z as TV. Enter. Yes, save. Enter. Copy all this. Control Y. Copy. Let's copy this. Paste over here. Oh, I given like this. Huh? There is a space. Give this 3Z we have given. Okay, 4Z and 5Z. save. Right, now we go for sales office define, go back, save, back, cancel, go. Next, sales office, where we have this one, sales office, double click on this. Okay, here also go for standard, do not delete by mistake in the standard. Go standard is deleted. Mhm. Okay, go back again, double click on this, something else, say copy as, you can give what we have given to B211, B211 Bangalore sales office, enter. Now give this Bangalore sales office. Okay, BSO, give this city where it is belongs to, office has set up as Bangalore, then country IN, region is 10, then go to yes, enter, save. Okay, done. Similarly, you can go for next B212. Okay, this is Hyderabad sales office. Okay, enter. We can give this, replace with Hyderabad sales office, change this one, Hyderabad, and Hyderabad, this one it is predefined, hence Hyderabad, you can see this 36, I believe. Let's see, 36 Telangana, give this 36. Now go, go here, now save. Right, it has been saved. Right, now sales office done. Then we go for sales group. This sales group, the rest of the assignment will do tomorrow.